How's it going, guys? We have an update on the Javelin for all you DIYers. You can now buy the Javelin as a DIY kit that does not include the motor, battery, or controller. But if you decide you want any of those three items, you will be able to add them. So, for example, let's say you built a crazy e-bike on a lower power bike's frame, but you have your motor and you have your battery. You can just tell us, I want to keep the controller, but I don't want those two other items, and it will fit everything else inside. So this is a great option because you're going to get all the motorcycle grade components that we put on the Javelin as a standard and be able to swap out your old parts from your old bike and put them on something much more reliable and safe. Okay, so the bike is still going to have its famous opening seat here. You're going to be able to fit whatever battery you want on the inside. There is a ton of space for all of your wiring, and it has that additional storage compartment in the back. That way, if you have any other crazy wires from your project, you can jam everything back in here, and it will all be sealed in this locking seat. All these bikes are going to ship out with the lighting kit fully installed. So you're going to have a headlight, turn signals, the 12-volt converter, everything. All you have to do is plug your battery in and install a motor. You're also going to have a button here on the side that is used for the speed modes, and our screen here in the middle. This screen is going to show your motor temperature and your controller temperature. This is all running a FAR driver, right? So we're using an ND72450. If you have a requirement for a higher power controller, you can also specify that, and we can use the controller from our 8K kit that is rated to about twice the power. So just again, we're going to have a motorcycle brake on the front, and there's a motorcycle brake on the rear, and part of this kit also includes a disc. So if you already have a hub motor with a traditional hydraulic brake disc for like a regular bicycle, we are going to supply you with our disc that adapts to that motor. So you don't have to buy that kit separately, right? So that's on there, and it's going to have our new passenger foot pegs. So this thing is pretty much completely ready to go. Again, all you really need is a hub motor and a battery that can handle the power of your motor, and you're good to go. All right, guys, that is an overview of this new kit. You can go to sparkcycleworks.com and check out all the different specs. Make sure that your motor fits on here. Make sure your battery works with it. And yeah, these bikes are shipping out within about 3 to 4 weeks, depending on your configuration. And we can do higher levels of customization for you. We just have to talk about it. All right, thanks.